Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are back. Today I have a quick video on how to attach more yarn to your tatting project. I realized in the last video that I forgot to mention how to do that, because obviously you're not going to make a choker this small. I just wanted to make a small sample to give you an idea of how to make this pattern. And also with this one, you may have to do the same thing. Anyways, so first and foremost, the needle that I'm going to be using today is a number 5 Handy Hands tatting needle. I do have some extra stuff here, but really all you're going to need is some scissors and whatever yarn or tatting thread you are working with. Today I'm going to use this DK weight yarn just for demonstration purposes. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small sample. Okay, let's say that at this point I'm already running out of needle thread. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to attach new thread. And the way to do that is to try to end on a ring. So what you want to do is to kind of watch the length of your needle thread and make sure that it's long enough to finish up a ring, and then you can go ahead and tie off and attach new thread. Good rule of thumb is to go ahead and double knot your ring closed, because you are going to be attaching your new yarn or thread right underneath that ring that you just completed. And you can do a square knot or 2 half knots, whatever you want to do. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so I got it knotted off. I'm going to go ahead and cut my ball yarn. And now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to hide your ends. So to do that, you're just going to run it through your double knots. It's pretty simple. I'm going to get my yarn ready. Okay, so I have my needle threaded, and what you're going to do is you're just going to determine how much length you need to complete the rest of your project. In my case, it's not going to be very much, so I'm just going to leave it pretty short, and I'm just going to mark it with my index finger like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate where I tied off, or get pretty close. You kind of want to just get underneath that ring, and you should have some, like a little gap where you can see, and you're just going to go in between that gap. and just pull your yarn through. And now all you have to do is tie this new thread to your work. And I suggest doing 2 knots here, in whichever way you choose, as long as you have your ball yarn going towards the way that you need to continue working. In my case, I was going to make another ring right here, so this is going the right way. So now all you have to do after this point is continue working until you complete your project. There you go. You attached new yarn to your tatting project. Who would have thought it was that easy? Yeah, so if you want to see other videos or more videos like this rather, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. Anyways, I hope this video was informative and that it gave you some inspiration to complete some of those tatting projects. So I'll see you guys later. Keep on crafting. Bye!